एक बार फिर स्पीच की दुनिया में कदम रखते हैं और इंग्लिश स्पीच के लिए मैं क्लास 10th के आलिया अनवर को आवाज़ देता हूं कि वो आएँ और इंग्लिश में स्पीच पेश करें इस शेर के साथ कि ये जहन से मिटा दो उनमें से हम नहीं हैं, ये जहन से मिटा दो उनमें से हम नहीं हैं, कदमों में जो बिछी रहें कालीन की तरह, और इतना गुरूर मत कर अपनी उड़ान पर, परवाज़ हम भी रखते हैं शाहीन की तरह। आलिया अनवर क्लास 10th।
नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम, फ़ऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, President of the function and other dignitaries, our respected manager, principal, teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I myself, Alia Anwar, in front of you to speak about importance of education. Nobody can deny its importance. Our religion Islam also puts special emphasis towards education. There is a famous hadith from Rahmatul lil Alameen Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Gain knowledge even if you have go to China. Gain knowledge even if you have go to China. This single hadith is enough to prove the importance of education in Islam. But the most unfortunate truth is that education is badly neglected among Muslims. The reason of this neglect is division of knowledge or education into two categories. First one is the religious education and second one is the secular education. Some people believe that education that Islam advances is religious education. Other section believe that education means gaining knowledge of science, technology and trade. And some people do not believe in either of them. Truth is that Islam does not stop us. Islam does not stop us from gaining secular education. But it also does not approve an education policy. But it also does not approve an education policy that weans away its learner from Allah. That weans away its learner from Allah. So I think best education is that education which connect people to Allah, as well as worldly wisdom. So one can lead a dignified and illuminated life. Those who think and promote secular education should also understand that to earn bread and butter and to do charities once needed halal source of income. And that income can be generated only through trade, jobs and agriculture. With time and place, the art of trade, techniques of agriculture and job requirements change. And if you do not update your knowledge, you should surely fall behind others. And gradually, the doors of jobs, trade and agriculture all will close down for you. So I therefore think we must focus on our modern education. We must focus on our modern education along with our Islamic knowledge. Thank you so much for being with us.
ये थी आलिया अनवर जो आपके सामने इंग्लिश स्पीच पेश कर रहे थे।